Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see that how we can use Google Drive, how Google Drive can be used for data storage and for data sharing. Data sharing can be in several ways. Either you can share the data with an individual, either you can share the data through email, either you can share the data to a group, or even you can make it public. So first we are going to see that how many data can be managed in Google Drive. Here is my one account in which I am having 29.6 GB data. So it's a big source of storage to keep your data online and to use it whenever it's needed. So these are the mostly research related data and variables, so we can use it whenever it's needed. It's from one account. If you have several accounts, you can have several Google Drives. So it's another account, and here I'm also having some data. Here I have 15 GB space. I have used only 1.3 MB. So today I'm going to start with a new account to show you that how we can manage Google Drive, how we can start with a Google Drive, and how we can keep the data in that drive, and how we can share it. So let's start it. Open your Google account, sign in. If you don't have signed in already, so it will come like this, that sign in over here. So you can give your detail and you can get signed in into your Google account by using the browser. So once I am signed in by this account, then I can use it. It's new account and I have not used Google Drive before in this account, so that's why I am coming up with a new account to show you that how you can have Google Drive. So come here, click the Google Drive. It's a new account, nothing is in this account, so you can see that it's getting started and 0 byte of 15 GB used. So you can start with this. Just go to my drive. There are several options. If I am going to start, say for example, new folder, I am going to start corporate governance. So I am going to create a folder of corporate governance, and if I'm interested to keep data in this folder, so you can see that its folder is over here. So I can click this folder, I can drag and drop the required data into this folder, or I can just go and upload into upload files. So there are several options. If I'm going to upload the data, so you can see that there is will be data of CG. So CG PPT slides are here. I'm just going to upload 3 of those slides. You can upload as many as you want. So these slides are going to appear over here. You can see that one slide has been uploaded and 2 other are in process. So second has been uploaded and third, it's very quick. So if it's taking time, you can allow it to take time. So you can see that this folder is over here, getting started, and then corporate governance, and you can keep going by making different folders. So if I am going to use another folder, I'm not going to put data, but just showing that how you can create several folders for different purposes. So these folders are your personal folders. These folders are not shared with anyone. However, if you want, you can share these folders. I am going to show that how you can share this folder of corporate governance. So there are so many options. One option is share option. Share option, you are going to select to whom you want to share this PowerPoint slides. So you can enter their email addresses over here. And if you don't want to enter email address, you want to share with several people, so it will be difficult to enter the email. If you are going to share with individual, just enter the email and it will be shared with those person. So if I am interested to share it with several person, so I'm going to click over here, get shareable link. So this is the shareable link, but it have several opportunities, options. So it's of only specific people can access. Anyone with the link can edit, anyone with the link can view, or even you have several options. You are making it public, on public on web, on anyone with the link of specific people. So and here you can edit that. Either they will be able to edit, add, organize, or they can only view. So I am selecting the option that they can only view, and I am going to select the option that on anyone with the link. So in anyone in the link, can only view. So just save it. If your requirement are different, you can go with different requirement. You can see it's anyone with the link can view. So just copy the link and share it with anyone you wish. So I'm just going to show you in another browser that either it will work or not. So here is the new browser. No one is signed in. You can see this account has not been used previously. So just paste the link and see what will happen. So in this way, you can share your data with anyone you wish to. So you see, only corporate governance folders have been shared. Although we were having several folders, finance folder, although nothing is in finance, but even if you upload anything in finance or any other folder, it is not going to be shared. So the folder you are going to share, it will be shared with others. And whatever is in that folder, as we had 3 PowerPoint slides, and those 3 PowerPoint slides are over here, and it has been shared with anyone with this link. Hope you understand this message. Thank you very much.